What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to Father Son DIY Garage. My name's Joe. Today, we're going to be showing you guys how to replace a Moen shower cartridge. Let's get it. Now that the water's off, we're going to have to take this valve apart here. So we're going to use this 7/64 Allen key here. And what you do is you just turn this up. There's a little screw hole up top here. And you just untwist that. There it is. It should look something like that. Then our handle is just going to pull right off. We can go ahead and get a screwdriver here. Undo this Phillips screw here inside. So we got that screw off. That's going to take off the piece that holds the handle. Take off your temperature stop. And since this valve is roughed in a little bit inside the wall, we're going to actually take off the trim plate as well. Okay, there we go. 1, 2. Then we'll pop off our trim plate. Then we can pull back this little stainless steel sleeve. And that is what our shower valve looks like inside the wall. The brass piece here is the actual shower valve itself. This part here with the brass stem, with the plastic part, that's your shower cartridge. So we have this retaining clip here that just pops out. And what this does is it holds the cartridge inside the valve. So this is the most important part of the whole deal here. This keeps this cartridge from blowing out of the wall. So now that we got to the cartridge, there's a few options here to take it out. You can get a pair of channel locks, put it here on the end, and then pull straight back. So you can go ahead and pull straight back, and you pull real hard. Sometimes it works, most of the time it doesn't. What we're gonna use is a cartridge extractor set, specifically made for a Moen Posi-Temp cartridge. So it's a 3-part set. What you do is this one screws right in to the valve stem. This sleeve just slides on over it. You'll see it's pretty snug there, so when you tug on it, all the pressure is divided around the whole shower body. Then it's time to use our handle here. This just threads on the side here. So how this works is as you crank this handle, it threads onto this and extracts the cartridge out from the shower valve. And let's see how it goes. I'll zoom in here for you a little bit. You can see that the cartridge is popping right out. Here at the end, just give it a nice little wiggle and it'll pop out. There we go. And that's what it looks like. There we go. So we'll go ahead and unthread this thing. Then, there we go. There's our old cartridge. You'll see a lot of the white spots on here. That's all hard water. That's why this thing eventually failed. So we're gonna throw this one in the trash and put a new one in. Here's our replacement. This is just one I got from Home Depot. you want to get the one that says replaces Posi-Temp shower cartridge for Moen. So we're gonna pop this thing out. There we go. There's our new cartridge. There's a new retaining clip if we need it. Here's a little bit of valve grease to put on before we put it in. And this piece, this plastic piece, just helps you push it in. So we want to take our valve grease and put it on our finger here. And then we want to rub it on all of these parts here, all the way around. And that just gives us less friction for when we push the valve actually in. The cartridge, I mean. This gives you less friction when you push the cartridge in. All right. You want the part that says hot and cold to be on top. So we'll do this. Then we'll put our little sleeve right here. Then we'll take it over here to the valve. And then we'll just start by hand, pushing it straight in. Most of the time that works. There we go. We got it the first try. So you want to have the part here with the two ridges face down. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this until it's nice and flat there. So as you'll see, this part is 100% flat. Then the most important piece to keep the cartridge from shooting out of the wall is the retaining clip. So you push that right back in there. Make sure it's seated all the way down. And your new cartridge is installed. Now we get to put the shower valve back together. So we got this part, this little stainless steel sleeve. This one slides on first. Then we have these two pieces for our temperature stop. I just go ahead and put it straight on like that. This piece is so that if you want to adjust the temperature, you can go ahead and turn it so it doesn't get as hot. If you have, young kids or elderly who can get scalded by hot water. But I leave it on the full setting, so this is full hot water. Then we can go ahead and put this piece on, which is our, I'm getting ahead of myself. Right, now it's time for our trim plate. Put our screws back in. This one's a little tricky. You kind of got to find right where the screw thread's in. This part can be a little annoying at times. And you want to make sure it's tight enough to where you don't have any gaps between the shower and the trim plate. So don't overdo it, but don't underdo it. So trim plate's nice and solid. We'll put this piece that fell back on. All right, we're gonna put this black piece on with the stopper here on top. All right, you'll see that. So this piece tells the shower valve when to stop turning. So it butts up against that white piece to get you the right temperature. So We'll go ahead and screw this one back in with this Phillips screw we took out. Make sure this piece is nice and tight, or else your handle is going to be loose. We could take our screw, put it back on our 7/64 Allen key, install the handle, turn it up so we can see inside of it, and then pop this screw in. Might take a little bit of wiggling around to get the screw in. There we go. And you want to crank this one all the way till it's nice and tight, so that way that handle's not loose. All right, that's it. So you don't want to do it too tight, but not too soft. See, our handle has no wiggle to it. So your handle, when it's in the off position, should be down. And then when you get cold water, it should be going over here to the snowflake. And when you get hot water, it should be going over here to the sun. Anything else, you did it wrong. All right, the water's back on. We're gonna see how we did. So you should get cold water when it's pointed that way. This is medium water right here in the middle. And this is hot water. All right. And that is how you install a Moen Posi-Temp shower cartridge. If you guys like the video, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us any questions down below, and we'll see you next time.